As you can see, we are entering one of the science labs now. This laboratory is used for teaching chemistry to the sophomore class and general science to the 7th and 8th grades. Students use various equipment throughout the labs to ensure safety throughout their experiments. As you can see, groups from 3 different directions can use the sinks. The sinks are equipped with high pressure water in order to be effective with the equipment that can be attached to the sink nozzle. Also with the sink, there are 2 gas nozzles included to use Bunsen burners on either side of each water nozzle. After experiments, students clean up by using the materials at the sink located in the room. There are drying racks for the tubes and brushes, and sponges and soap to scrub the chemicals off the vials and tubes that are used during each experiment. Across the room you can see the bookshelf used to house the textbooks and other related sources to the class. The experiments, especially in the chemistry lab, require a lot of concentration and usage of chemicals. Students have to communicate with each other so that the experiments can be performed appropriately. The teachers that most often occupy the chemistry lab are Ms. Jernigan and occasionally Mr. Stoyanov. This room conjoins both rooms and also acts as a storage area for chemicals and other forms of equipment. Bottles, cleaners, paper towels, and substances used for experiments are all some of the things that are placed back here. As we enter the science lab, we can see that it is almost a mirror image of the chemistry lab. Though both rooms are similar in resemblance, the classes in each are very different. In the science lab, Ms. Golden and Ms. Johnson teach 7th, 9th, and 11th grade biology and physics. Unlike the chemistry lab, the science lab contains extensive resources on biology, physics, and general science. Although most of the experimentation materials are located in the chemistry lab, many other tools such as microscopes, dissection equipment, and petri dishes can be found here. Though this isn't the chemistry lab, students may still be required to partake in experiments to demonstrate and represent things in biology and physics, such as the function of cell parts, or the reactions of starches and sugars. We always encourage students to be thinkers when working on projects here in the science lab, regardless of the task. We hope you enjoyed the tour of the 2 labs in the Arts and Science building in this portion of Westlake Academy.